Imagine turning simple 2D sketches into complex 3D models with just a click. The future of computer-aided design is here, revolutionizing the way we bring ideas to life. PlankAssembly is a groundbreaking method developed to transform 2D line drawings from 3 orthographic views into precise 3D CAD models. This innovative approach leverages the power of deep learning and shape programs to interpret and reconstruct designs with unmatched accuracy. At its core, PlankAssembly uses a transformer-based sequence generation model. It learns the flexible mappings between the input sketches and the 3D output, making it remarkably robust against imperfections in the initial drawings, a common hurdle in traditional methods. The secret weapon? Shape programs. These are specially designed to understand and assemble objects of interest, like cabinet furniture. By teaching the model about the object's structure, PlankAssembly enhances the reconstruction accuracy and simplifies the design process for CAD modeling applications. This isn't just about perfecting drawings. It's about empowering designers to effortlessly update, share, and convert their ideas into 3D models for analysis and manufacturing, streamlining the entire design process and opening doors to innovative possibilities. PlankAssembly isn't just a tool, it's a new way of thinking about design, making 3D modeling more accessible, efficient, and creative. The future of design is now, and it's more vibrant and dynamic than ever before.